If you are trying to make $500 to $2,000 per month, you're watching the right video. Today, we are going to discover how to do that by providing a service called landing pages or funnel design. If this sounds too good to be true, please stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll show you how to achieve this and make it a reality starting today. Hi, my name is Abhi and I am a digital marketing consultant and coach. I've been a freelancer for close to 5 years, and designing funnels and landing pages has been a crucial part of my journey working with my clients. Let me ask you this. Have you ever clicked on an ad and ended up on a landing page that made you said, "Wow, this is exactly what I needed"? Well, that's the magic of a well-rounded landing page. What most designers think that beautiful landing pages actually convert more. That's further from the truth. It's not about the aesthetics. It's about what the viewer needs and why the viewer is on that landing page. Hence, resulting in sales for our clients. Here's the deal. A funnel or a landing page is not a typical website. While website has multiple purposes like providing information or showcasing products, while landing page has only one goal. That goal is to convert. Whether it's capturing leads, selling a product, or driving up signups, everything on a landing page must align with a single objective. In today's video, we are going to look at what skills do you need to master, what tools do you need to master to make this career a reality for you. I'll even share why focusing on the visitor's intent is the key to making more money or driving more sales from a landing page, to keeping bounce rates low and conversions high. Are you ready? Let's get in. Alright, so what do you need to become a successful landing page designer? Think about this. If someone clicks on an ad which is for a Photoshop course, they are not looking for a list of credentials like how many students have you got in the past, how many reviews do you have, what are you great at. Instead, they want to know how this course is going to solve my problem. Your landing page must address this the right way. Skill number 1. You have to remember that the mismatch between the expectation and the content on a landing page is the biggest reason why people leave a landing page in the first place. Next is skill number 2. User experience, user interface design, and simplicity. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned the biggest mistake designers make while creating landing pages. And that is thinking about it aesthetically, thinking about it visually. Your design should not be about being flashy. It's about guiding a visitor, a clean layout with minimal distractions, and a strategic call to action button. All this makes a huge difference. Usually, a landing page should not have a navigation menu according to me. But even if you do, it should have really basic options like home, about me, and contact. Because we don't want to distract the user from the landing page to somewhere else. We want the user to go to the call to action button and click it and go to the next step in the funnel, right? Skill number 3 is copywriting that converts. Here's a quick tip. Write the headlines that speak to the outcome of the course and not actions or features. For example, instead of saying learn Photoshop, you must say become a designer and make money. Or become a professional designer. You see the difference? You're selling the result and not the process. Now, from a marketer's perspective, the tools that you might need is number 1, for funnels, you will need a tool like High Level because it's my personal favorite. I recommend it all the time. Click the link in the description below to get a 30-day free trial for High Level, because if you go directly to High Level and get the free trial from there, you will only get 14 days. Instead of that, click my link, get 30 days, and I'll get a small kickback without any extra cost to you. Tool number 2 can be Photoshop or Canva. Depending on your expertise, you can choose either tools and get your work around. To track the visitor's behavior, tool number 3 is Google Analytics and Hotjar. To know more about these tools, please Google them and understand what they are all about. These tools will help you create landing pages with just one goal: to test and build high converting landing pages. It takes time to understand what's the best formula. What works for someone else may not work for you. you have to remember this idea. So do not directly and blindly copy someone else's landing page's structure. Now that we have talked about the skills and the tools that you need, let's talk about the portfolio that you need to build in order to get started with this career. Even if you're starting from scratch, you can actually build your portfolio with sample clients. We talk about this in our community called Sweet Build Hub. We have also built a course for beginners how to build a portfolio either on Canva or a card.co portfolio page, and how do you get started as a beginner. To know more about it, you can click the link in the description below or get in touch with us on WhatsApp. I can't stress this enough. I have made these mistakes in the past. You have to choose a niche like fitness, online courses, or e-commerce, and create 3 to 5 landing pages. Make them simple and impactful. Now, I'm not going to give you a tutorial in this video about how to build a landing page. You can find tons of other tutorials on YouTube. And if you want me to create one of the tutorials like this, please comment down below and I'll try to create one for you in the future videos. Here's a pro tip. Use buzzwords and unique selling points in your designs. For example, if your sample landing page is for a fitness coach, your headline might say, transform your body in 30 days using these techniques. You have to pair that with testimonial videos of your client. And please don't forget to highlight the features like instant access, learn at your own pace, or 24/7 support. These give assurance to your potential clients and also help you avoid high bounce rates. Now, finding clients is subjective. It works differently for different people depending on the kind of efforts that you make. All the ways that you see on YouTube actually work. Cold email works, cold calling works, Upwork, Fiverr, and all these platforms also work. And most of the times your hot network works the best. What is a hot network? Your family and friends and people that they know. And then you focus on creating a niche specific offer. Like instead of saying, I build landing pages, you say, I help fitness coach get more clients with professional landing pages or with high converting landing pages. Step number 2 is going out on LinkedIn and sharing your insights, experiences, journey, testimonials, tips, everything. Building your personal brand on LinkedIn is going to get some people in your DMs, and starting conversations and getting appointments booked is really crucial, really important. To build an impactful portfolio, initially either work for free or charge a minimal amount of $100 or $200 for a landing page or funnel design. Once you have got results and testimonials, you move to value-based pricing. Highlight your unique selling points like fast loading pages, beautiful pages, user-friendly designs, automated lead nurturing. You could achieve all this with high level. And remember, success in this field is not about how many features you can cram into a single landing page. It's about how well you can design a landing page based on a visitor's intent. This is a simple roadmap that I think if you follow, you can start your journey towards building a career in funnel and landing page designs, become a designer, and make it a reality. So let me leave you with this. Your clients or the visitors do not care about flashy designs. They care about their own intent and need being fulfilled. Alright, that's it folks. If this video helped you today, press that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you have any more recommendations for me to cover any topic in the future videos. Until next time, don't forget that the freedom lifestyle is within your reach and keep chasing for it. See you.